Hello my crypto enthusiasts and welcome back to the Crypto Catalyst. I would say holding cryptocurrency is easy, but converting it into a traditional currency can sometimes feel much more complicated. Many platforms require account creation, lengthy verification process and procedures as well, and on the other side, multiple steps before a transaction can even begin. Today we are talking about Crypto2Cash, a crypto off-ramping service that says it is designed to make the whole process faster, simpler, and on the other side, more private. Through Crypto2Cash, users can request a quotation for converting cryptocurrency into a fiat currency with a stated service fee of only 2%. Of course, guys, before using a crypto off-ramping service, make sure you understand the applicable tax, banking, and regulatory requirements in your country. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, and this is not financial advice. We can begin right now. Alright, here we are right on the official website of Crypto2Cash, www.crypto2cash.finance, and this link will be found in the description box down below as always. So your first question probably is, what is Crypto2Cash? Crypto2Cash, guys, is a service designed for people who want to sell the cryptocurrency and receive the additional currency through a bank transfer. According to the platform, it supports a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Dogecoin, and a fine range over here of additional digital assets, as you can see over here, guys, with your own eyes on this scroll menu. The company says it currently serves, as you can see, clients across 37 countries, supports 51 digital assets, and has delivered more than $28 million through its services. The main feature over here, the Crypto2Cash emphasizes, is privacy, as you can see, and according to the platform, users are not required over here to create a traditional exchange account or upload identity documents when initially requesting a transaction. This means the process is different from a standard centralized exchange, where users commonly need to register, of course, an account and complete identity verification before accessing fiat withdrawal services, and I, guys, pretty sure that you know what I'm talking about. However, users, of course, should understand that banks, payment providers, or authorities may still require information depending on the transaction and the applicable local regulations. Overall, the Crypto2Cash positioning itself over here as a private and streamlined alternative to traditional crypto exchanges, particularly for users who want personal assistance rather than navigating a complex trading platform. And that's something, guys, what really stands out when you write and talking about the biggest differences between over here the Crypto2Cash and the CXS out there. So how the process works? As you can see, the process is presented in 3 simple steps. The step 1 is complete the form. As you can see, the first you visit www.crypto2cash.finance, choose the asset over here you would like to sell and complete the contact form with the requested information. The form includes fields such as your name, as you can see over here, email address, phone number, and a message where you can explain the amount, asset, or currency you would like to receive. You can also as well contact him through email over here, as you can see in the top, in the bottom over here in the right corner, as you can see, email, WhatsApp, or a Telegram. The step number 2 will be receive a quotation. After submitting the request, the Crypto2Cash team reviews it and sends it to a quotation. According to the platform, quotations are generally provided within 2 hours, and this allows you to review the exchange conditions, the estimated amount you would receive, and the applicable services fee before proceeding. The step number 3 is complete the exchange. Once the quotation is accepted, the cryptocurrency is transferred and converted into the requested fiat currency. Crypto2Cash sometimes says it supports major currencies including the euros, US dollars, British pounds, Swiss francs, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, United States dirhams, and several others. The platform also states the fiat payments can be sent to either personal or business bank accounts, and that completed bank transfers are generally delivered in under 24 hours. As you can see, always confirm the exact transaction terms, timing, fees, and required information directly with the platform before transferring any cryptocurrency. As you can see, this is going to be a whole process. What I need really to point out one more time, guys, and one of the strongest points over here at the Crypto2Cash is its 2% commission rate, guys. That makes the cost structure easy to understand compared with services that may combine trading fees, withdrawal fees, spreads, and additional processing charges. Another key point next to it is flexibility. The Crypto2Cash states that it can handle both standard and larger cryptocurrency conversion requests as well. However, availability and required checks may depend on the size of transaction, the destination bank, and other relevant factors. For business clients as well, the company also said it may provide an invoice containing the necessary transaction information when requested, and the service is designed to support a broad range of assets one more time. And if a specific cryptocurrency is not displayed on the website, users can contact the team and ask whether it can be processed. As you can see, everything is covered. And overall, the main benefits are the simple quotation-based process, the stated 2% fee, support for different assets and currencies, and the reduced amount of information requested at the beginning of the whole process. That is right now, I would say, all the benefits, the features guys over here from the Crypto2Cash. So Crypto2Cash is offering a different approach to crypto of ramping. Instead of opening a full exchange account, navigating an order book and completing the several platform steps, users can submit a request, receive a quotation, and communicate directly with the Crypto2Cash team. That service is really covered with everything, and the service emphasizes privacy, simple transactions, support for multiple cryptocurrencies and the fiat currencies, and a stated commission rate of only 2%. That said, always verify the company independently, guys, confirm every transaction detail in writing, and make sure your activity complies with the financial, banking, and the tax requirements that apply to you. Please, guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice. Please your own guys before making any investments. It's important, of course, to mention because it's only your decision. There is, guys, as well a link in the description box down below for anyone who would like to learn more about it and right now to explore right on the Crypto2Cash. And I will see you can as well leave your opinions, guys, and your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.